Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are doing well. I'm fine. Today is 16 June and around about 11:50 I think. Quite too late I know. And oh yes, advance Eid Mubarak. While it's getting too late, I think we should move towards our lecture. Our today lecture is about how to balance the chemical equation. A very basic concept and a very essential concept for the chemistry students, because we can't write any equation if it is not balanced, because such type of equation is considered wrong. So balancing is very important and you people should know how to balance the equation. And for this, the most important thing is you must know the elements and their name. Means C for carbon, H for hydrogen, Cl for chlorine, and for nitrogen, S for sulfur, etc, etc, etc. This type of know-how is very necessary for balancing. Okay, now come towards the first equation. Here is C3H8 and O2. These are our reactants and these are our products. Now if we look at the reactant, we have 3 carbon, 8 hydrogen and 2 oxygen. And from here we have 1 carbon and 2 and plus 1, 3 oxygen and 2 hydrogen. Here is the data before balancing. Carbon 3, hydrogen 8, oxygen 2, carbon 1, oxygen 3 and hydrogen 2. Now what we have to do is to balance this equation. Okay, here carbon is 3, so what we're gonna do is we multiply this carbon with 3. 1 multiplied by 3 is equals to 3, means 3 carbon is here. 8 hydrogen, here is 8 hydrogen, 2 hydrogen. Now to balance the hydrogen atom on both sides, we multiply this 2 with 4, 8 hydrogen, means 8 hydrogen, 8 hydrogen. 2 oxygen, 2 plus 3 oxygen. So what we're gonna do is we multiply 3 with 2 plus 4 equal to 10, means 5 into 2, 3 and 4. See, 3 2s are 6, 6 plus 4, 10. Here we write 3, 3, 4, 4. 3 is your mole coefficient, multiply with this 2. 3 2s are 6 plus 4, 1 oxygen, 4 1s are 4, 6 plus 4, 10. This is a balanced chemical equation. This is unbalanced and this form of this equation is balanced. Okay, now come towards the second equation. Aluminium, HCl, aluminum chloride and hydrogen. Here aluminium is 1, aluminium is 1, H hydrogen is 1, here hydrogen is 2, chlorine is 1, chlorine is 3. Now what we're gonna do for the balancing, we multiply 1 with 2, 1 aluminium with 2, it becomes 2, hydrogen 6 and chlorine 6. See students, here we have 3 chlorine and there is only 1 chlorine. If we add 3 here, then hydrogen becomes 3, but here the hydrogen is 2. So what we're gonna do is we multiply this hydrogen with 3, 3 2s are 6 and write 3 here, 6 hydrogen and 6 chlorine. Here is the balanced form. See, 2 aluminium, 2 aluminium, 6 hydrogen, 3 2s are 6 hydrogen, 6 chlorine, 3 to the 6 chlorine. So the purpose of writing these elements or atoms is to just separate each element from the equation to identify their numbers. In this way, we can easily balance the equation by balancing these atoms on both sides, on the reactant sides and from on the product side. So here is a worksheet, a balanced chemical worksheet of the different equation. Here is our third equation, ammonia react with sulfuric acid, ammonium sulfate. Now consider these reactants, nitrogen 1, hydrogen 3. Here again hydrogen is 2, sulfur is 1 and oxygen is 4. Means the total number of hydrogen is 3 plus 2, 5. And here nitrogen is 1. 4 multiplied by 2, 8. Nitrogen is 1. 1 multiplied by 2, 2. The number written on the outside of the bracket, we're going to multiply with the number of atoms present inside the bracket. Means 2 multiplied by 4 and 2 multiplied by 1. 1 2s are 2, 4 2s are 8. Sulfur is 1, oxygen is 4. Now look at the balanced equation. 2 nitrogen, 2 nitrogen. 3 to the 6, 6 plus 2, 8. 4 2s are 8. Sulfur 1. Sulfur 1. 4 oxygen and 4 oxygen. In this way, balance the elements or atom of this equation. Oxygen 4, sulfur 1, hydrogen 8, and here is nitrogen 2. Another equation. Lead hydroxide, HCl, water and PbCl2. Okay. Here lead is 1, oxygen is again 2. 2 is outside the bracket. Oxygen is 1, so 2 ones are 2. 2 hydrogen and 1 is here, means we have 4 hydrogen, 3 hydrogen, sorry. And chlorine is 1. 1 hydrogen, 2 ones are 2. 2 plus 1, 3. 1 2s are 2. 2 oxygen, 1 chlorine, 1 lead. Here we have 2 hydrogen, 1 oxygen, 1 lead and 2 chlorine. And here is the balance equation. 1 lead, 1 lead. O, 2 ones are 2. Here 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2 plus 2, 4. 2 2s are 4. 2 chlorine, where we have 2 chlorine. Okay, in this way we balance this equation as well, and the PV stands for lead. Okay, here is the last equation for balancing. MgF2, lithium carbonate, Mg carbonate, magnesium carbonate and lithium fluoride. Okay, 1 magnesium, 2 fluorine, 2 lithium, 1 carbon and 3 oxygen. Here we have 1 magnesium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 1 lithium and fluorine. Now after balancing, what we get? 1 magnesium, 2 fluorine. So here is 2 ones are 2 fluorine, 2 lithium. Here we have 2 lithium, 1 carbon, 3 oxygen, 3 oxygen. So in this way we balance any type of chemical equation if we know the elements and their name, and we also know how to separate each element separately one by one in the form of column, label the number of atoms, compare both sides, reactants and the products, number of atoms and reactants and the products. After that balance the equation, we are putting the different number of moles. So hope you people are getting my point, and it's enough for today. Thank you so much.